Okay, so first of all, good afternoon. How are you? How was your day?
Yes, good afternoon. Thank you for asking. And my day was very busy because today I went some satsang, so that's why my day was very busy. But now I'm free, so that's why I'm taking session with you.
Okay, so as you know that we are talking first time, will you give me your brief introduction?
Oh, brief introduction. Yeah.
Yes,
My name
yes.
is Subha. I'm from MP. I have done my post graduation with psychology. I have two daughters. There are four members in my family, and I have a little bit hobbies. I like singing, and apart from nowadays, I'm learning English. So this is my you can say happy hobbies like that. It's all about me.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. As you know that my name is Jyoti. I live in Agra. I have a small daughter that is 9 months, and I am homemaker as well a YouTuber also. That my hobby is like singing and approaching with different people.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. It sounds good.
Nowadays,
And
I am working on my spoken.
yes, yes. And recently I have started my channel. So my channel name is Let's Start with Broken to Fluent English because I
Okay,
started my journey with
after
broken.
talking, so send me your link that
Yes,
by that I can subscribe you. Okay.
yes, yes, of course, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So we are going to discuss in this video some idioms, if you like.
Yes, of course, ma'am.
Okay. So what is means of like hit the shake?
I think hit the sick. I don't know properly, but you
Hit
can, yeah,
hit the shake means go to bed.
go to
Go
bed.
to yes.
At,
We can say to our children. So hit the shake.
okay.
Go to bed. You are tired now. Go hit the shake. Yes. And
Yeah,
over the moon.
yeah. I know little bit about it.
Yes, yes, this is very simple that people are using in animation videos also they use if
Yes,
you
yes.
watch.
When we you are very happy, so that time you can say I'm over the moon.
Yes, yes. Okay, I can say I have completed 1000 subscribers, so I can say I am over the moon.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. Yeah.
Okay. So hold your horses.
Hold your horses.
Yes, yes. It is also. This means wait a moment. That I want to make conversation with you. So I am saying that hold your horses. Okay. Wait a moment. I am coming. Hold your horses. We can say yes. This
Yes,
is
yes.
a idiom. Wait a moment. I am coming. Suppose my daughter wake up. I
Mm-hmm.
can say hold your horses. I am coming in just 1 minute.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. The cat's out of the bag.
The cat out of the.
The cat's out of the bag.
Okay. You can explain.
What is the secret's out?
Okay, okay.
Secrets out. Someone is like hiding something and they are not sharing anything. They are so their secrets out. We can say the
Okay.
cat's out of the bag. When pigs fly.
Repeat again, ma'am.
When pigs fly.
I don't
This
know.
means never.
Okay.
Never. We
Mm-hmm.
can say when pigs fly.
Okay.
Okay, so as okay, suppose use one sentence by use this by
Yeah.
using when pigs fly.
May.
I will not. Yes, yes. Use one sentence by using this when pigs fly.
Actually, please, you can firstly because I didn't get.
Okay, so I I can say that I did not visit, I never visit there.
Okay.
We can say in Mumbai. Yes,
Yeah.
I did not. So I can say uh, when pigs fly in Mumbai.
When?
When means I can say like a when pigs fly means never.
Yes, yes. When
I
flicks fly.
when pigs fly in visit in Mumbai. We can say
Okay.
never visited. Visited. We can say I did not. I never visited in Mumbai. So how will I say? I when pigs fly in Mumbai.
Okay.
Visited. We can say visited in Mumbai.
Yes,
Never. So we for never we have to use when pigs fly.
yes. Can I write down?
Yes. Yes, you can write.
Yes,
By
yes.
that we can remember. If suppose we are not using any idiom, so we forgot.
Yes. That's
Yes.
why
So
I'm
it's with
all
us.
somebody tells so I can write down every time.
Yes. It is a good. And do you know smart cookies? That means that person is intelligent. We can say to that person, you are a smart cookie.
Okay. Smart cookies.
Yes. Okay. Break a leg.
Break
Do
a
you
leg.
know this? Yes. Break a leg means good luck.
Okay, good luck.
Suppose anyone is going to give events and performance, so we can say break a leg. Good luck like that. Break a leg. Bite the bullet.
By tablet, I think
Bite.
today I'm taking session with you, but my mind is not here.
Difficult. It is means difficult,
Yes, yes,
unpleasant. Yes.
yes, 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 yes.
Yes. So bite a bullet. Yes, we can say English is not for speaking bite a bullet.
Okay.
Yes, difficult. Yes,
Yes.
English is not bite a bullet.
Yes.
If we do practice daily, we can learn and we can speak as well.
Yes.
Okay. Turn a blind eyes. Turn a blind eyes.
Turn up blind eyes. Yes.
So that means ignore.
Okay.
Suppose someone is saying that you are not speaking well. You are
Okay.
making lots of mistakes.
Yes.
You're not improving. So we have to turn a blind eye. Ignore them. Just ignore. That means ignore. Turn
Yes.
a blind eye. So this means we have to blind, we have to not focus on that person, turn a blind eye, ignore that person.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
it is a good. If someone is saying something that you are not improving, you are not good speaker, you are making a lots of mistakes, so we should blind our eyes. Okay, turn
Yes.
a blind eyes, it is a good. So we have to not to see that person, it is a good.
Yes, ma'am.
We will be better. It will take time because no one can become in some days fluent and in some months. It takes a long process. We have to give our effort, then we come.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, we can become. One day we can become. Okay, so you got some idioms or not? So go to bed,
Hit
hit the
the
shake, we
hits.
can go to bed. Yes, hit the
Yes.
shake. Okay, rise and sign. Do you know?
No, ma'am.
For children, we can use rise and sign. Hey, rise and sign. Now it is 9 o'clock. So get ready. It means wake up and get ready for a day. That means
Yes.
rise and shine.
Yes.
We can say to our children in morning. We can use for them. It is a good. Okay, one is beat around the bush. Do you know?
No, actually, yes, you can speak
Have
about it.
started your journey before some days. That's why. After
Yeah.
some time, you will know everything. Don't
Yes,
care about that.
yes.
Okay. Beat around the bush means that people, some children, have you seen that always children do like beat around the bush, घुमा फिरा के बात करना.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
always children do beat around the bush. So we
Beat
can
around.
say beat around the bush, come to the point.
Okay.
सीधा
Okay.
बात पर आओ, don't beat around the bush.
Yes,
Yes,
yes, yes.
beat around the bush. We can say घुमा फिरा के बात करना. Okay, I wrote some. This is enough. You know, if we use more, I don't buy it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
I remember some idioms,
Okay.
phrasal verb. It's called phrasal verb. You know, मजबूरी का
Okay.
नाम महात्मा गांधी है.
Yes, yes, I have listened, but I am not. I don't know
Okay,
what is means
so
of that.
you can say it's Hobson's choice.
Okay.
It's Hobson's choice because in our India nowadays everyone wants to speak English. It is Hobson's choice, but Hindi is our native language and Hindi is our national language. If everyone wants to speak Hindi, okay, if Hindi should be international language, so nobody wants to learn English language. Okay, so that's
Yes,
why
yes.
it's called, it is Hobson's choice. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice.
And
Uh,
second is money is loser.
money is
Loser.
okay.
पैसा पैसा जो होता है हाथ का मैल होता है, yes, so
Yes, yes.
you can say money is loser. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, and third one is money three max a curel. Do you
Three
know?
max are cute.
Yeah.
I have listened this.
Yeah, तीन तिकाड़ा काम बिगाड़ा.
Okay.
Yes,
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 yes. Suppose there is fight also
yes,
because
yes.
of that. Yes.
And because I started my journey, so and I am doing some mistakes every day, so we can,
We
yeah,
are
so
also
I
doing
can
mistake.
say,
Say I am perfect.
so
I am
so
also learning here.
I can, yes, I can use this phrasal verb. It's tips of iceberg. अभी तो ये शुरुआत है. It's tips of
Yes, yes.
iceberg. Yes, अभी तो ये शुरुआत
Okay.
है. Yes.
Okay. I listened one more also. I'm not aware about. Have a bird with. Do you know means of that? This is also idiom. Have a bird with.
No, ma'am, no.
Okay. This means किसी से बात करना.
Have
I have
a.
a bird with that. Have a bird with.
Okay.
किसी से बात करना. So I can say I have a bird with someone. So I cannot make conversation to it. Yes, we
Yes.
can say. Safe and sound.
Save and sound.
Safe and sound.
Oh,
This
yes.
means sahi salamat. Okay, suppose someone is going somewhere, so I can say go safe and sound. You should reach there safe and sound. Yes,
Okay.
सही सलामत पहुंचना चाहिए. Yes. So far, do you know?
So far. दूरी
It
के
is
लिए
very
बोलते हैं, कहाँ तक दूरी के लिए,
so far means अब तक.
के बाद.
So far. Uh, as you know that we are using in conversation in starting, we know how was your day so far means अब तक.
After.
अब तक. How was your day so far? Okay. Keep in mind. ध्यान में रखना. Keep
Keep
in
in mind.
mind. Yes. I can say I told you some idioms. Keep in mind and
Yes, yes.
use them in your conversation. daily.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes, I
All
remember.
of
I remember always. Yeah.
all of a sudden, like a all of sudden means achanak se.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
I can say I was running. I was going walking. All of sudden, my foot slipped.
Yes, yes.
अचानक से मेरा पैर फिसल गया like that. All of
Yes,
sudden, my foot slipped.
yes.
Okay. Safe and sound you got सही सलामत.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, this is enough because 16 minutes are done. Okay. Bye bye. It was a nice conversation. That video you can upload, and this video I'm going to upload on my channel. Okay. Bye bye. And we can tag to each other as well. You can send your link.
Yes,
By
yes.
that, I will. Okay. Bye bye.
Tell me your channel name.
Improve with Jyoti.
Okay, okay. I watched your
Okay.
video, but now I'm forget.
Improve with Jyoti. I
Yes, yes,
choose this name. That's why I.
yes.
Yes. Okay. Bye bye. It was a nice conversation with you.
Yes.
Bye.
Thank you.